Welcome to series of video in factoring polynomial. This is the first video and also this is the first level out of 4. The goal of this video to define term, polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and coefficient. Term could be single number like 3 or single variable like y, or number and variable multiply together. If I multiply 3 times y, I get 3y. Still, this is single term. And y divided by 3 is one term. Y divided by 3. This is 5 by itself is a term, and b squared by itself is a term. But if I multiply 5 times b squared, still one term. And the last one, 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y squared, or 3xy squared is one term. One term like 6y. If I separate 6 and y by plus or minus, became 2 term. 6 plus y is 2 term. The second example, 3 multiplied by x by y squared. This is 1 term. If I separate 3 from xy squared by plus or minus, became 2 term. 3 plus xy squared is 2 term. If I separate x from y squared by minus here, became 3 term. 3 plus x minus y squared is 3 term. Polynomial can be made of any number of terms. If the polynomial consists of one term, we call this is monomial. Monomial. Like for example, x squared. This is one term. Binomial consists of two terms. Like for example here, x plus or minus 3. This is two terms. Trinomial is a polynomial that consists of 3 terms. X squared, for example, one term plus 5x plus 6. This is trinomial, 3 terms. Coefficient is the number before a variable or a term. What is the coefficient of y? When I say 5 means 1 times 5. That means I can write y as 1 times y, give me y. And the number in front of the variable here is 1. You have 5x here. What is the coefficient of x? Is 5. It's the number in front of the variable. You have negative ab squared. What is the coefficient of ab squared? Is negative 2. We need to know the difference between y times y and y plus y. Please try to take notes. This means multiplication and this is addition. Let us take numerical value. 5 times 5. Yes, equal 25, but I can write 5 as 5 squared. 7 times 7 is 49. I am able to write 49 as 7 squared. Means x times x equal what? This became like pattern. X squared. Means y times y is y squared. Let us go to the addition. 5 plus 5 equal 10. This is correct. But I can write 5 plus 5 as 2 times 5. I can write also 7 plus 7 is 14 as 2 times 7. And here x plus x equal what? This became better. Here is 2 times 5. Here is 2 times 7. It's x plus x is what? Is 2 times x. We talk about binomial. Binomial means a polynomial that consists of two terms. This is the first term, and this is the second term, and I'm going to use the word the last. Means x is the first, and 3 is the last term. We're going to learn how to multiply two binomials. X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2. X here in the first binomial is the first term, and 3 is the last. X here is the first term in the second binomial, and 2 is the last term in the second binomial. We need to know what is the inner terms, what is the outer. The blue color here, 3 and x, is the inner terms. And to find the product of the inner term, I'll multiply 3 times x. This is the inner term. This is the inner term. And 3 times x equals 3x. The outer term, which is x and 2. This is the outer term. If I multiply them together, I get 2x. This is the outer term. If I multiply 2 times x, I get 2x. When I multiply two binomials, I use the FOIL method. And the FOIL stands for the first letter in each word. F is the first letter in the word first, and O is the first letter in the word outer, and I here is the first letter in the inner, and L here is the first letter in the word last. When I multiply these two binomials here, I get 4 terms. First, last, outer, inner. Let us find the first term. First here, when I multiply first time first, I get the first term, which is x times x. X times x, I get what? We learn that x times x is equal x squared. Let us do the last. I get back to the inner and outer. Is the last here is the last term times the last term, give me the last term in the new polynomial. 3 times 2 equals 6. We need to find the outer which is x and 2. If I multiply x times 2, I get 2x. The inner term which is 3 and x. If I multiply 3 times x, I get 3x. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Bye bye.